Rörö is our kind of island and harbor. It's a favorite harbor around our hometown Gothenburg. I think Gothenburg's archipelago has around 10 islands, and Rörö is the most northerly. You can reach Rörö by ferry, and it departs 15 times a day. In the evenings, you always find wharf stuffed with family dining in the sunset. I will strongly recommend you to visit Rörö if you're ever visiting Gothenburg. We decided to anchor to the rocks for the night at Utkäften.
Now we're going to the beach. And Annelie's gonna have a swim.
Yeah.
Take a bath.
Ryan is getting dressed for success.
just lost Tobias on the way to the beach for the sunset, and I think he went to an even greater viewpoint just up by that hill. Drop your phone on the rock.
Yeah, I did. But it didn't crack the screen, so all good.
In Sweden, we have a law called the right of public access to the wilderness. The access is ancient in parts of Northern Europe and formalized in law in the modern times. However, the right usually does not include any substantial economic exploitation, such as hunting or logging or disrupting activities such as making fires or driving off-road vehicles. But you're allowed to pick berries, sponges, and plants. Even though it was a calm night, our anchor keeps on dragging each time we're out anchoring in nature. So I think we need a new anchor. Tobias' family decided to meet us up at Marstrand by car. So we needed to leave our anchorage at Utkäften to meet them up for a family day and some lunch. So now you got some glimpse of perfect days out at sea in the northern archipelago of Gothenburg. I hope you enjoyed it, and we keep you tuned. Don't forget to like and subscribe down below, and follow us at Instagram and Facebook, SY Skidplanner.